So let's start with geometry. So this is our coordination part, next session of the geometry. In this session, what we are going to discuss about co-initial point. We'll start with what is co-initial ray. So first understand what is co-initial ray. For example, we have a point. Let's assume this is a point A. This is a point O. Okay, so the ray that are starting from this point, so let's like this is a ray that is starting from this point and ending till whatever the point is. Any other ray that is starting from this point O, let's take another ray that's origin point is same O. Let's take another ray over here, so we'll take this ray also. Let's take few more rays over here, this one here. So the point is this ray, this AB, let's assume this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is B. So what is the meaning of co-initial rays? Co-initial means their initial point is same. Initial point is same. Okay, and it can go till up to infinity. So now we have this ray can also be, this ray can also be, this ray can also be, this ray can also be. We can draw infinity number of rays from this point, okay, in different direction. So that is known as the co-initial ray. The rays that having the same origin is known as the co-initial ray. Okay, so here we can say like OA is a ray, OB is a ray, OC is a ray, OD is a ray, OE is a ray. All these are the ray having that we called the co-initial ray. Clear? Now let's come to the second part. Now what is angle? Angle. So we can say when we have two co-initial rays, so like let's take one ray, this is one ray, and take another ray, this is the point O. So this is the point O where these two rays are meeting. So let's lay, this is A, this is B. Okay, so the angle formed between the co-initial lines, co-initial rays, so this is known as the angle. So we can say the two co-initial rays. So this what are the two co-initial rays? OA is a initial ray and this OB is the two rays. Okay, and the enclosed, whatever the enclosed angle in between them, this is known as the angle. Clear? So we have two angle here. One is the interior angle in that is inside here. Another one is the exterior angle. This one is the exterior angle, that is outside. Clear? So we have two angles here. The formation by any two co-initial rays is called an angle. Okay, an angle is an union of two rays having the same initial point. Okay, so how we will denote the angle? We'll denote the angle like this. The angle AOB. This is the sign of the angle. So we can denote an angle like this one. This is an angle. Okay, if anybody will write angle O, it means we are talking about this angle, angle O. Okay, if we are talking about like if anybody will say let's assume here, so this is one ray, this is another ray, this is another ray. So if anybody will write like this one angle 1, angle 2, this is angle 3. If anybody will say, tell me where is the angle 2, like A, B, this is O, this is D. So if anybody will write angle 2, we can write like angle AOB is equal to the angle 2. Clear? Understood how we will represent the angles also? Now the next point that will be coming into the, so tell me, let's assume this is a figure. I am just drawing one figure. You need to tell me the names of the angle that I will ask you. So let's, this is one, we'll take one. Okay, so we have this point is O, this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now tell me, let's discuss about, I'm just drawing the angle over here also. This is 1. I'm changing, this is angle 2. This angle is 3. This angle is 4. And I'm writing this angle is 5. So tell me, I have angle 1 is equal to like 50 degree, angle 2 is equal to 90 degree, angle 3 is equal to 40 degree, angle 4 is equal to 60 degree, angle 5 is equal to 130 degree. So tell me the sum of the angle, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5. What will be the sum of that? So what is the angle 1? Angle 1 is 50 over here, angle 3 is 40, and angle 5 is 30. So the total sum, whatever the we have, it is 90. 90 plus it's a 220. So the sum is 220. Clear? So I think understood about how we will denote the angles. So now we will discuss about the interior angle and exterior angle. So we have the identification like interior angle, interior and exterior angle. Exterior angle. So let's say we have an angle. So let's create an angle. So this is a line, ray we can say that, and this is another ray. One second, we'll take another ray over here. So this is another ray. So this is a point O from where it started, and this is A, this is B. Okay, and now what we want to do, we want to set an angle in between, like this is we will say we will have two things. So this is a angle O, this is AOB. So the angle name is here AOB. So which angle we are talking about? We are talking about this angle. Okay, so set the point of the angle. So let's see, we want to point about this angle. So this angle is an interior angle. What is this angle? This is interior angle. If I am talking about this one, so this is an exterior angle because this is outside this one. So this is exterior angle. Okay, so that is exterior angle, that is not inside this A and B. This is not inside in A and B. This if any point will be here, so that's known as the exterior angle. Okay, clear? So now there are few points that we should know. The first point is a circle is divided into, yes tell me, yeah ask.
पापा जैसे आपने बोला उधर कि ये एंगल है तो उसके बाहर वाले एक्सटीरियर होंगे, इंटीरियर वाले
Yes.
पर वो तो सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स एंगल है, पॉइंट्स होंगे वो.
Okay, so now the point is, let's draw another angle. This angle is A, this angle is B. Okay, so here just to understand, he is just putting 2 points over here. Okay, what he is saying, these points are lying in between what? These points are lying in between this A and B. So we will say that this will be
Angle.
this angle will be the interior angle. Okay.
But it is angle, so how?
If we will have 2 points, these points are outside this one, so whenever we will draw, it will be always be the outside this angle A and B, so it will be denoted as an exterior angle. So we always say this angle will be the outside this angle, anything will be considered as exterior angle. Okay, so now what we are trying to discuss, we are trying to discuss about few important points. The first is a circle. So let's assume this we have one circle. So this is a circle over here. Okay, this circle, the origin of this circle is O. Okay, the circle is divided into 360 equal parts. So if I will take like this, if I will take like this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what it's saying that is this circle, whatever the circle, it is divided into equal 160 degree parts. So if you have one D na, so I have the D in my hand. So if you are able to see, so if you will see there here, there will be one degree angle is there. Okay, so it means it is divided into 180 equal parts till this point. So the semicircle, till the semicircle, let me just take the semicircle of this one. If you have D in your hand, just take the D in your hand, and you will see there will be like it is 10 degree, then it is 20 degree, is 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, and 60 degree. In between this 1 degree, 10 degree, there will be small dot, 10 small dots. So each small dot is denoting the 1 degree. Got it? Each small dot is denoting the 1 degree. So this circle, this entire circle is divided into how much 1 degree? 360 equal 1 degree parts. It has how many equal parts it has? It has 360 degree equal parts, and each one part is denoted by 1 degree. Clear? Okay, so one more important point, same thing with the watch. If you have the watch in your house now, you can see the watch is divided into every one degree. So like in the watch you have here it is 0, then it will be 15.
In this there are 10, but in watch there will be 5.
Which one 5?
5 dots are there.
That I will tell you, 1 second. If you will see the dots now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 dots will be inside it. Okay, there will be small dots. Okay, now 1 minute is divided into 60 equal. So 1 minute, in 1 minute how many parts we have? 60. We divided it into 60. So if I am taking an example of a watch, the watch is divided into 60 equal parts. How many equal parts? 60 equal parts. So if let's take an example of a watch, this watch is divided into 60 equal parts. Okay, because the entire angle is of this divided into 60. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So here 1 degree. Okay, so now let's come to the another point, the classification of angle. So first we will have the angles, like classification of angles. Classification of angles. So the first one is zero angle. What is zero angle? So this is a line, that is the point that we are denoting over here. This is zero angle. There is no angle over here. This is a straight line. So if anybody will ask me, this is a point A and this is a point B. Okay, and this is the origin of this one O. So this OA will be on the same ray and this OB will be on the same line. Okay, the angle between them is 0 degree, because this OA line OA is also, the origin is O, and this OB, the origin is O, the angle between them is 0 degree. Clear? It will be on the same line and in the same direction also. What I'm trying to say, in same line, same direction and same. Okay, now what is acute angle? Another one is acute angle. Come here. Acute angle means we have one ray, this is one ray, and we will take another ray like this. So this is the origin O, this is A, and this is B. This is the angle theta. If this value of theta is less than 90 degree, so this is known as the acute angle. What is acute angle? This angle, whatever this angle theta is less than 90 degree, then we will say as this is acute angle. Another one is classification is right angle triangle. Right angle. Right angle means, so the angle is of 90 degree. So like this is the angle that is of 90 degree. 90 degree. So this is A, we denoted by A, this is we denoted by, this is B, and this O. So this angle O, this angle AOB, this angle O, this AOB is of 90 degree. So this is known as the right angle triangle. Clear? So one more important part that we will discuss. So like this is the circle we have, and now this circle is divided into four equal parts. So this is the one part, this is the another second part, and this is third part, and this is fourth part. So this angle, this is of 90 degree, this is of 90 degree, this is of 90 degree, and the complete one is the 360 degree. Clear? Another one is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle that is greater than this angle theta. This angle theta, this theta is greater than 90 degree. So it means this angle is known as the obtuse angle. And another condition is this theta is less than 180 degree and it is greater than 90 degree. So this angle is known as the obtuse angle. Clear? Now we will have a straight angle. So straight angle means, so like this is a point, this A will be in this direction, the B will be in this direction, O, the starting point is from O. And if anybody will ask what is the angle between A and B, this angle is 180 degree. Clear? This angle is 180 degree. So if we have a straight line and any point O will be given, and if anybody will ask you what is the angle between A and B, so he will asking about this angle. So this angle is of 180 degree. What angle?
180 degree.
180 degree. Now next come to the reflection angle. So let's about the reflection angle. Reflection angle. So what is reflection angle? The rotation of a terminal ray continues and the angle forming more than 180 degree. So this is a ray and this is terminating at this point, this B point. So this is ray A, O, and this is B, and this ray is terminating at this point, and this ray is terminating at this point. So this angle is more than 180 degree. So this angle, whatever the angle that I am drawing over here, this AOB, this angle is known as the reflection angle. So what the meaning of the reflection angle? That is greater than this. If I am taking this theta, if this theta is greater than 180 degree and it is less than 360 degree, so this is known as the reflection angle. Okay, now one more angle that's come into the complete angle. Complete angle. So what is complete angle? So like we have a point, this point is A and this is B, and this is the center origin. So we will start over here and complete over this one. So this complete angle is of 360 degree. If we will say this point, what is the angle from here to here? So this is of 360 degree. Okay, so now understood till this point? One more angle that we will discuss. So we have now two angles. So this angle is A, this is B, and this is O. Another angle somebody has drawn here. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. So this theta, if anybody will say this theta is equal to this angle theta, so what it means, these two angles are congruent. What is this? These two angles are CONGRUENT, congruent angles. So both the angles are equal. So what is the symbol of this angle? How we will denote it as? This is AOB. Will write 2 equal to this congruent symbol like this one, and after this angle OPRQ. Both these angles are congruent angles. Clear? So till this point, what we will discuss, let's have a recap over here. What we discuss, how many types of angle we discuss. First of all, we discuss about zero angle. Let's zero angle. Second, we discuss about acute angle. Next, we discuss about right angle triangle. Then fourth, we will discuss about absolute angle or obtuse angle. Okay, then fifth, we discuss about straight angle. Then we discuss about reflect angle. Then seventh, we discuss about complete angle. And the eighth will be congruent. Clear? Any doubt till this point? So now we discussed about the angles. Okay, so we'll wind up this part here. First you will solve the questions of related to this one, then we will start about the operations with the angles. Okay, that we will cover in the